Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A52, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So, to get started, you will need to get one of these, a SIM eject tool. There we go. Now they come provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, or you can also just use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now from there, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the top side of the device, so you can see where it's right now holding. Let me just grab it. So if I push it in, you'll see that the tray just pops out. There we go. And from here, take it out. And you'll have space for the SD card and also SIM card. Now, if you plan to use two different SIM cards, which you can, you would place one over here. Oops, let me just quickly fix that up. Actually, so you can place one SIM card over here. That's where just the SIM card goes. Or the second one could go right in the place of the SD card. Now, when you're planning to use two different SIM cards, unfortunately you won't be able to use an SD because it takes the same space as it. So keep that in mind. But one of each should work just fine. There we go. So once you have inserted those into the tray, insert it back into the device. There we go. And from here, there is the pin for my SIM cards. So I'm going to confirm that. There we go. So SIM card is obviously working and SD card is working as well. And that is how you would insert them. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.